Have you ever been stuck waiting for an important package, refreshing the USPS tracking page over and over, just to realize there's no tracking number at all? Frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a free official tool from USPS that lets you see what's coming to your mailbox before it even arrives? And yes, even without a tracking number? Whether it's a check, a letter, or that long-awaited delivery, you can stay one step ahead. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how USPS Informed Delivery can give you mailbox superpowers. Let's start with the basics. USPS Informed Delivery is a free service offered by the United States Postal Service that sends you daily email previews of your incoming mail. It literally gives you a snapshot of what's arriving in your mailbox each day. And here's the cool part. It works even if your package doesn't have a tracking number. Yes, you heard that right. No tracking? No problem. So why should you care? It saves time. It gives peace of mind. And it's completely free. You'll receive grayscale images of letter-sized mail pieces and get updates about packages that are on the way. Let's say Grandma sent you a birthday card. She didn't get tracking, but with Informed Delivery, you'll still know it's coming. This is especially helpful for online shoppers, freelancers, or anyone who relies on timely mail. Now, let's get practical. Here's how you can sign up for USPS Informed Delivery in just a few minutes. Go to informeddelivery.usps.com. Click on Sign Up for Free. Enter your address to check eligibility. Most residential addresses are supported. Create your free USPS account. Verify your identity. USPS may ask some security questions or mail you a code to confirm. And boom, you're in. You'll start receiving email updates each morning, showing you a digital preview of your day's mail. Here's where it gets really interesting. A lot of people think you need a USPS tracking number to know when your mail is coming. But with Informed Delivery, you can still get notified, even when the sender didn't pay for tracking. That's because USPS scans all the mail that goes through their sorting system. And that image? It ends up in your Informed Delivery dashboard. So whether it's a postcard, a notice from the IRS, or your college acceptance letter, if it's scanned, you'll see it. Here are a few bonus features. You can track packages with tracking numbers directly from your dashboard. You can leave delivery instructions for some parcels. Some promotions even offer clickable coupons in your email previews. So yes, you can even save money just by opening your email. Pretty neat, right? Let's go over some FAQs. Is this available for businesses? Not yet. Informed Delivery is mostly for residential addresses and PO boxes. Can I use it on my phone? Absolutely. The USPS mobile app supports Informed Delivery too. So, there you have it. USPS Informed Delivery is your free, simple way to stay ahead of your mail, even when there's no tracking number. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on more everyday tech tips and tricks that make your life easier.